One look at you, and my heart knew you were the one for me.
Not the type of nigga to brag, my lady got it all. Hey, yeah, she poppin' but never poppin' off. Plus she bad and bougie to top it off. So whoever trippin', they can knock it off. Not the type of nigga to brag, little baby got it all.
So yeah, I guess I got all the dirt, well, the grass. And the dirt's over here, so I got dirt and grass. Now I need to level this off, and then we Gucci.
Like a pilot, yeah. And they be telling me it's not love, but I don't know who they speaking on, it's not us. Yeah. You can't tell me what you got is not drugs, cause I'm addicted, keep me coming, let me cop up, yeah. And girl, you got me locked up, they won't let me out. Dealing with these bitches, they just stress me out. You the one I wanna come and bless me now, right now, like. Not the type of nigga to brag, my lady got it all. Hey, yeah, she poppin' but never poppin' off. Plus she bad and bougie to top it off. So whoever trippin', they can knock it off. Not the type of nigga to brag, little baby got it all, yeah. Am I wrong? I just wanna show you off. Oh God, on these ride, I chop at the top, it's off. So tell whoever trippin', they can knock it off.
Don't talk, just pay attention. Even good girls gotta pay commission. Word on the street is that you got it all. I wanna press every button till you turn bad. Joint in my mouth for the look, baby. I'm the type you read about in the newspaper. I'm the type to take you out in a new Mercedes. Windows down, music loud, I was born to make it. I slide right in fresh sheets of satin. Talk still cheap, I'm about those actions. Real satisfaction, true thug passion. She look good in high heels, open toes, Air Maxes. I'm not
the type of nigga to brag, my lady got it all. Hey, yeah, she poppin' but never poppin' off. Plus she bad and bougie to top it off. So whoever trippin', they can knock it off. Not the type of nigga to brag, little baby got it all, yeah. Am I wrong? I just wanna show you off. Ay, on these ride, I chop at the top, it's off. So tell whoever trippin', they can knock it off.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Got it all. She got it all. That nigga Blast. Dom Kennedy. Still getting fly.
So yeah, so I filled my truck up with rocks. That white rock. It's a mess. I can't wait to get rid of this shit. My truck like a mess. I just got it clean. Brand new rims, brand new paint. I fresh out the shop. And now look at it. Look like that's Snow White. All bad. So I'm about to fill the wheelbarrow up. I'm about to dump all these rocks in between this. As you can see, I got the concrete paves. Put my tarp down. Big holes. Well, at least my palms can breathe. And now you finna see how it's finna turn out. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
God protect me. I just wanna live. God.
As you can see how it's coming out. So it took a lot of rocks though, but yeah, make sure you got these two shovels and a mallet. I'm gonna say a mallet because you see how these kind of uneven. If you don't want to move the rocks, you could always tap it to straighten them back up. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I got work. Gotta get my rest in, but so far, all I did was a shovel, rake, and a tamper to mash it down. And I got it all the way right here. So I'll probably finish the rest either tomorrow or Sunday. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Look how much rock I got left too. So in my opinion, I guess you can always get a scoop and a half. So yeah, we back at it. We about to finish just a little bit of rock. So yeah, all you gonna need is one of these great hats, wet towel, some sandals, your work clothes, and a shovel and a tamper, and you on. Here we go. About an hour, we should be done with this.
Take me.
So now the project is done. You know what I'm saying? Got the rocks, pavers. All it took was these sandals, and after work dedication, and voila. And who said? Somebody said that rocks and pavers wasn't that good. Shit, I feel they was wrong. They tripping.